Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing these glitter French stiletto GelX nails. So to start off, I'm just going in and I'm clipping down my fingernails. This step is optional. Some people like to grow their nails out under their extensions. I personally don't. I like to keep them short, but yeah, you can go in and cut them if you want or not. Then I'm going to go in and I'm just going to push back my cuticles, and then I'm going to go in and cut my cuticles down. So for a bit of an update, I have recently just been offering GelX services to my clients because, as you guys may know, I really like nail art, and I really have been liking the soft gel extension systems because they allow for you to be able to focus on nail art versus having to focus on building a nail or filing or whatever. So doing GelX on myself takes a little bit longer than doing it on somebody else, but on my clients I can pretty much be done with the entire prepping and applying the nail and everything in about 30 minutes, so I really like that. Now I'm going in with my sanding band. This is a medium grit sanding band, and I'm just going to go ahead and rough up my natural nails so that I can make sure the extension adheres properly to the nail. All of the items that you see me using in this video will be linked down below if you guys are interested, so make sure you guys check down there. But yeah, so the next few videos coming up on my channel will probably be all GelX related soft gels, so just stay tuned for that. I know they're becoming more popular now. I know that a lot of companies are now coming out with the soft gel extensions, so I think more and more people will be doing it, but I really love them, and I think you should definitely try it if you're into the nail art. So now that I'm done with filing down my nail, I'm going to go in, I'm going to size my fingers. So this is the GelX Stiletto Long, and I believe that these are the Sculpted version. This is one of my favorite shapes personally. I love stiletto. I love these nails. The GelX, they are very similar to press-ons, but they are made of gel, and they're much thicker and much more durable. I haven't had any issues with them breaking on me or cracking or anything like that, so yeah, I love them. But as you can see, I just went in and I etched the inside of the nails, and now I'm going to go in with my no lift primer, and I'm going to apply one coat of that to both hands, and then I'm going to go in with 2 coats of my OPI Bond Aid. Apres does have their own like primer and dehydrator and like whole little prep kit that you can use, and I actually do have it, but I just love no lift and the OPI Bond Aid together. I have no lifting. I prep the exact same way that I would if I was doing acrylic. So now that my dehydrator and my primer is on, I'm going to go in with the Apres Extend Gel, and I apply a thin layer onto my natural nail, and then I go in with the tip and I apply it to the well of the nail. And you don't want to apply too much because then you'll get like a lot of overflow, but I press it onto my nail, and then I go in and I cure the nail. So sorry, like a lot of this was out of focus and I was out of the camera view, so I don't show every nail, but this is them when they are done. And now I'm going to go in and I'm going to file. So in my other videos though, you will be able to see better how I apply the nails, and I'll be doing a more in-depth video. I'll also be doing some of my favorite products to use when doing the soft gel extensions, because there definitely are some products that will like be life-changing, so stay tuned for that. but I'm just gonna go in, I'm gonna file. The shape of the stiletto nails is definitely more rounded than I like, so I go in and I just sharpen it just a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in with this ceramic bit and I'm just going to clean up the cuticle area and blend that in a little bit more than it was. And then I was going up and down the nail, but you don't really have to do that. I was just kind of being extra. You don't have to do that. I don't do that anymore. Alright, so here are the nails after I have finished the cuticle area. I just spray it with a little bit of alcohol, and then I'm going to go in with the top and the base coat, this XOXO from Madame Glam, which is a nude color, and then this glitter silver from Model 1s. It comes in like one of their collections, but I'm just applying my base coat to all of the nails. So after curing for 30 seconds, I'm going to go in with 2 coats of the XOXO by Madame Glam. This is my absolute favorite nude color. As you'll see on my channel, I use this color all the time. It is perfect for literally every skin tone. It is just like my go-to nude. I have like 3 bottles of it. I repurchase it all the time. I would highly recommend. It's perfect for your French, your nude designs, like French designs, and a design where you need a nude color. This one is very good and it's very versatile. And sometimes I do get a little bit of the color onto the skin, so I just always have a little brush standing by with some acetone in a little dish, and I'll just clean it up as I go. So I went in with both layers of the XOXO and I cured for 30 seconds in between. Now I'm going to go in with this glitter color. This is a silver glitter color. It's showing kind of like golden on camera, but it was silver. But I'm just going in and I'm drawing out my smile line. I don't really have any tips as far as like a smile line. You just need a good brush, and I like to dip out a little bit onto a little piece of foil. I use that kind of as like my paint palette, and I'll just go in and draw the smile line, and then I'll go in with the actual nail polish brush and I'll make the color a little bit more opaque. So that's what I do here, and I think I did 2 layers of this, and then if I need to clean up again, I just go in with my little brush and some acetone and clean it up. But yeah, that's all I did there. So once I'm done with both coats of the silver, I cure for 30 seconds and then I'm going to add my top coat. And here is the finished result. I am in love. They were so pretty in person. They look really like elegant in my opinion. But anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you check out my videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and follow me on all of my social media at SnappedBySydd. Love you guys.